This is another episode of Igbo traditions and African traditions. In the book of Leviticus, Scripture gives clear instructions concerning sacrifice. Leviticus chapter 1 tells us, "If the offering is a burnt sacrifice unto the Lord, let him offer a male without blemish. He shall offer it willingly at the entrance of the tabernacle before the Lord." Verse 4 continues, "He shall lay his hand upon the head of the burnt offering, and it shall be accepted for him, to make atonement for him." Verse 5 explains further, "He shall kill the bull before the Lord, and the priest shall bring the blood and sprinkle it around the altar." This procedure was not accidental, it was intentional. Brothers and sisters, I come again to educate us on Igbo traditions and how they originated. My name is Enemchukwu. When we study Leviticus chapter 1, verses 3 to 5, we see that God honored the Israelites with a system of atonement. Anyone who sinned could bring a bull, ram, or goat. The sinner placed his hand on the animal's head and confessed his sins. The priest then killed the animal and presented the blood before the altar. This act symbolized forgiveness. The punishment meant for the sinner was transferred. The Bible teaches that every soul that sins must die. But because of God's love for mankind, He allowed animals to serve as substitutes. Now consider what happens in many parts of Igbo land today. In idol worship, animals are killed, cooked as pepper soup, and eaten. The sacrifice is no longer burnt unto God as prescribed. The meaning has been reversed. The procedure has been altered. So what was the true significance of sacrifice? The prophet Isaiah answers us. Isaiah chapter 53 verse 5 tells us that Jesus Christ was wounded, beaten, and killed as the final offering unto God. Through him, the sins of the world, including the sins of the Igbo race, were addressed. There was also the grain offering, which represented the work of a man's hands. When Jesus was nailed to the cross, his hands were pierced. Even after his resurrection, those wounds remained. This showed that Christ fulfilled both the sacrifice of life and the offering of human labor. Animals were used in the beginning, but in time, Christ became the final offering God required. In the next episode, I will explain how Igbo tradition became polluted, how its original meaning was lost, and the spiritual consequences that followed. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day.